If you want to make AI-generated videos that feel intentional and consistent, then I have an exciting new feature for you. It's Visla's AI Director Mode. AI Director Mode is a storyboard-first workflow that creates scene-to-scene, cohesive AI-generated videos. By the end of this video, you'll know what that means, how to create a video using Visla's AI Director Mode, how to assemble and edit your storyboard, and how to animate it into a single AI-generated video. Before we start, let me explain what we mean by storyboarding. A storyboard is a sequence of drawings, illustrations, or images that portray what your shots will look like when you're visualizing any sort of media. Storyboards are frequently used by filmmakers, animators, motion graphics designers, and any other visual storytellers. Visla's storyboard tool is powered by AI, so all we need to do is provide visual assets that will help determine not just the style of our video, but also give the AI an idea as to what type of characters, branding elements, and environments we'd like in our storyboard. AI Director Mode isn't just another video generator, it's a pre-production workflow, and it uses a storyboard to help guide the AI in its decision-making. Let's get started. Here in our workspace dashboard, I'm going to select Create Video and provide the AI video agent my prompts. Now these prompts could be any type of media, from a script to a PDF, slide deck, product notes, images, raw video, or even just a random idea. Before we begin using AI Director Mode, I want you to really think about the video that you want to create. Ask yourself the basic storytelling questions: who, what, where, why, and how it should look. The AI Director Mode will help you answer these questions, and providing as much detail as possible during this phase is the key to a successful storyboard and video. If AI Director Mode isn't enabled for you, just click the switch here on the right. In the menu dropdown, you'll see 4 categories of visual assets: style, character, object, and environment. This is where you'll tell the AI Director the who, what, where, why, and how your video should look. Let's start with style. Your visual style is how your video will look, and Visla provides a wide variety of options, ranging from a photorealistic look to a whiteboard explainer style to even 3D cartoon or cyberpunk style animation. I'll note that the AI Director will select a style for you based on your prompts. You can select a different style if necessary. Next, we have the character section. The characters are your actors. AI Director Mode will generate characters depending on your initial prompts, but they're able to be edited or modified as needed. You can create a new character by clicking Add on the right side of the menu. I always recommend creating a character for your storyboard, even if the AI didn't create one for you. Consistent characters and environments help avoid continuity errors that can take a viewer out of your video and create unnecessary distractions. Okay, next up is our objects section. Now, objects are your branding elements, your props, icons, document templates, anything that's not a character or environment. I mentioned branding elements, and I think adding these is necessary to fully utilize the AI Director Mode feature. By branding elements, I mean logos, fonts, and product shots. Visla can create generic objects for your video, but this is your opportunity to make your video look on brand and unique. Lastly, we have our environment section. Now, an environment is the setting of your video. The type of environment you create is entirely dependent on the type of video you are creating. As I mentioned with characters, environments are extremely important for video continuity. Adding an environment is easy. Just click Add here on the right side and you can create one either from scratch or from existing assets that you have. A pro tip is to be really thorough when adding your visual assets. Take your time at this stage. It is far easier to be adding visual assets at this phase than it will be to once your storyboard is generated. And Visla also cannot generate your unique branding assets. The more you personalize your video, the better the result's going to be. Click Generate Video, and the AI Director will create your storyboard. Here, we can play a preview of your video in storyboard form. If you intend to animate all or part of your storyboard, you'll click Edit Video. You'll see Visla will ask if you want to save a copy of your video project. I recommend you always do, and then we'll be taken to the scene-based video editor. Each scene in the editor represents a storyboard image. Play through each scene to check the image, script, and voiceover narration. If necessary, you can make changes to your storyboard images, visual assets, script, and the music. When your storyboard is ready, there are a couple of ways to go about animating your scenes. You can animate your entire video by selecting Animate AI Storyboard here in the Story tab. Visla will give you a credit cost, and once you confirm, your video will be brought to life. If you only want to animate certain scenes and not your whole video, you can select Generate AI Video from each respective scene's hamburger menu here. I recommend reviewing each storyboard scene and animating only the scenes that need it. The storyboard image might be completely sufficient, and Visla has tools, such as the Ken Burns effect, to help bring some motion to your image. Being selective about animating your storyboard is a strategic way to save time and credits. Once you've finished animating, you can watch a preview of your video and, if ready, export it in 1080p or 4K. If you ever need to modify your video, you can go to the projects section of your workspace or TeamSpace. If you're making updated versions of your video, I always recommend duplicating your video projects so you don't lose older drafts of your video. And that concludes our tutorial. You are now ready to create your first video with Visla's AI Director Mode. Make sure to follow our YouTube channel as well as our other social media channels so you can stay up to date on all things Visla, and we would love to see what you make with Visla, so be sure to tag us. Thanks everyone, bye.